All right, one of the things I wanted to discuss is how you know when something is a covalent bond, an ionic bond, or a metallic bond. So remember, metallic bonds are easy to remember because it's a metal with a metal. So remember, your stair step is over here, and everything to the left of the stair step is a metal. If you have a hard time remembering which side, like I said, go through and look and see if you can recognize. So if you notice, there's iron, copper, silver, platinum, gold. So that will be your giveaway that this is the metallic sign. So anytime you have two elements, or I guess more than two, bonded and they're on this side of the periodic table, remember hydrogen is an exception. It's not technically considered on the left side of the periodic table. It's technically considered to be over here on the right side. So don't include hydrogen in that, but anything, two things from the left side will be a metallic bond. If you have one from the left side and something from the right side, that's going to be considered ionic. And then once again, remember, hydrogen is considered to be over here on the right side. So if you have like hydrogen and combined with something over here, then that would still be considered one from each side of the periodic table. If you have both of them from the right side of the periodic table, so once again, remember, we can almost kind of draw hydrogen over here. We can pretend it sits right there. So if you have two things from the right side of the periodic table, they will be considered covalent. So remember, they're coexisting and cooperating in this covalent bonding area. So an example would be if I have like hydrogen and chlorine. Remember, we said we could technically draw hydrogen and chlorine up here. So if they're both on the right side of the periodic table, they're going to be covalent. If I have nitrogen and potassium, because they're on opposite sides of the periodic table, it will be ionic. And if I have two calciums or a sodium and a lithium, then they'll be metallic because they're both on the left side.